Now, when it comes to fresh corn, I mean, it's delicious just off of the grill. You could put it in hot water, butter it up, a little sprinkle of salt, and it's just good every single time. And if you're trying to really change it up with the corn, this is a great recipe for the summertime. So let's get to it. So you're gonna start with 2 ears of corn. Then you're gonna take a knife and you're going to cut them into 8 quarters. So take the big knife, lay the ear of corn down, cut this way, and then it's in half. Then lay them flat on the cutting board and cut each half again, and you're going to get quarters like this. We're gonna make them elote style, also known as Mexican street corn. First and foremost, we're gonna mix up our marinade. This is a little bit of oil, a little cayenne. Gonna mix it into here. Gonna use our whisk to get it all in there. Got a little garlic powder in here. So I'm gonna put that. Then we have a little black pepper. If you want to use fresh ground black pepper, you could do that for sure. Whisk it all together, and this is gonna be your marinade, and just brush it. Make sure that you really get it down into each one of the kernels. That is exactly how I cook in my kitchen, by the way. Messy and with emphasis. So when I say get all the way down into those kernels, yeah, that's actually how I talk at home. Brush, 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 get it everywhere. It's easy to clean up when you're done. Now, air frying. As I brush the last one, you're going to want to, if you preheat your air fryer, you can do it that way. Here, we have our power air fryer. I'm gonna take that up to 400. Gonna take 1, 2, 3. Yes, I should be using tongs. Into our air fryer right here. And then we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 of our ribs, and we're gonna put them in here. Close the door. We're at 400. We're gonna put it at 14 minutes. So I've got it here, and then I'm gonna give that a start, and we're off to the races. So we're gonna let that cook, and we're gonna come back to it in just a second. We're now gonna make the sauce. So mayo combining with our hot sauce. We also have lime juice, and then just give it a little mix. I'm using the spatula. There is a spoon to my direct right that I could be using, but it just wouldn't be my kitchen if I didn't make it difficult. Our corn ribs are grilled, they're cooked. See that? See how they have a little curl to them, so they kind of resemble ribs. Super, super cute. We're going to get the sauce onto our corn ribs. Because they're hot, they just came out of the air fryer. I'm gonna move this sauce over here because my mother taught me that if you move the bowl closer, you don't make a mess in your own kitchen. You're just brushing that mayo concoction over each one of the corn ribs. Just get enough so that it's coated. You don't have to make it so that you can't see the corn through the mixture. Here is the corn. This is gonna get real. Cotija cheese has a lovely salt factor to it. So we added the cotija cheese. You can find it in your grocery store. If in your grocery store you can't find cotija cheese, look for queso fresco, that'll do too. And then we're adding our chopped fresh parsley. And how about a little fresh lime over the top, just to give it that acid, since we added a lot of fats with the cotija cheese. Now with the lime, you're getting that nice balance. For me personally, it's the end of my day, so I'm going in. And I'll save a little bit of cheese off there for the crew. Look at that piece right there. Can we please just maybe find a little saxophone music a la 1980s episode of Moonlighting and pipe that over the top of this shot? That's really good. Hope you guys like this as much as I do. I'm gonna get some more stuff in my tea. I'll catch y'all next time. You can even take it to go. Oh, it's delicious. Hey, if you like that video and you want to see a whole bunch more, you can head on over to QVC.com and check out my whole channel. It's all Mary all the time. Get on over there and get to clicking.